How do you like your new bike?
Cool.
Yeah? Okay, let me see what you got.
What?
Keep going, I think you're in the wrong gear. If you want to stand up, just put it in a harder gear, that's all. You look great. Oh, click it back in.
What? The butt hurts.
Your butt hurts?
Yeah.
It's very sad. Keep your head up, look where you're going. There you go.
It's not moving.
You got another 2 hours to go, then you can get off. No, you know what? You gotta get a 5-hour day in today, so 2 more and you'll be done. You've got Tour de France coming up, you gotta be ready.